Welcome back, Healthy Club fans. Are your bones silently getting weaker while you go about your day? By age 30, most people reach peak bone mass. After that, it can start to decline. But here's the good news. You can slow, even reverse, bone loss with the right nutrition and habits. Stay until the end because we'll reveal the #1 lifestyle change that builds stronger bones faster than supplements alone. Most people picture bones as dry sticks of calcium, but they're actually living tissues, constantly remodeling, repairing, and even producing blood cells. Inside your bones, osteoclasts break down old bone while osteoblasts build new bone. This dynamic balance is what keeps your skeleton strong and healthy, but if the breakdown outruns the rebuilding, that's when problems like osteoporosis begin. Let's go inside the bone. The dense outer layer is called compact bone. It's arranged in microscopic circular units called osteons, lined up like reinforced steel rods. These units contain cells called osteocytes connected by tiny canals, moving nutrients and waste through what looks like solid rock. Deep inside lies spongy bone, a network of delicate beams called trabeculae, perfectly aligned to handle stress and pressure. This design gives your bones both strength and flexibility. Bone's magic comes from 2 key ingredients: collagen, the protein fibers that give bones tensile strength, resistance to pulling and bending; hydroxyapatite, a crystalline calcium phosphate mineral that gives bones compressive strength, resistance to crushing. Healthy bones are about 30% collagen and 55% hydroxyapatite. When this ratio is off, conditions appear: soft, bendable bones in rickets or brittle bones in osteogenesis imperfecta. Exercise, especially weight-bearing and resistance training, signals osteoblasts to build more bone tissue. Astronauts lose bone density in zero gravity because there's no stress on their skeleton. You on Earth can do the opposite. Load your bones with activity to make them denser. Combine that with sufficient calcium, vitamin D, magnesium, and adequate protein to supply raw materials for collagen. After menopause, estrogen drops sharply. Estrogen normally suppresses osteoclasts, the cells that break down bone. When it's gone, breakdown accelerates, especially in spongy bone. Men's testosterone also declines but far more slowly, so they're less prone to sudden bone loss. Here's your quick recap. Bones are living, dynamic tissues, not static. Collagen plus calcium phosphate equals strong, flexible skeleton. Weight-bearing exercise plus proper nutrition equals higher bone density. By taking action today, you can help your bones stay stronger, denser, and healthier for decades to come. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next health and anatomy deep dive.